Hello and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the highlights from Hot Wheels Main Lines 2022 Case B. Yes it is. So yep, there you go. Without further ado, let's start with the latest version of this Disney Steamboat. Yep, from the HW screen time, at first glance, it doesn't look that much change, but what the heck, kasiloose. There you go, see that? And I also bring the first version. Now there you can see the difference. See that? So the first one black, the latest one is dark brown, almost like a sepia tone, with the previously white portion is now in sort of like a cream. So there you go, the difference. Totally black and white, sepia tone. Yup. There you go. I like this type of changes. Gives a certain, how should you say, certain character to it. Yup. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that's the first one, the Disney Steamboat. Yeah. Next we're going for the Volkswagen Beetle. Look at that. This is beautiful. Even though the Beetle is a old cast, right, for the main line. Seen this one many times before. Kasiloose. Compact Kings. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful blue with a side wood paneling details there. Nice wheels. This is awesome. Yes it is. Wow. Wow. Nice. Loving this Beetle. Very classic look with a wood paneling details on the side there. Yup. So that's the Volkswagen Beetle. Next we have the 20 Jeep Gladiator in the Borla livery. Look at that. This is simply one of the best design for the Borla. Yup, kasiloose. There you go, look at that. Attack Borla on the hood there. Also the motorcycle, yup. Nice wheels. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In case you didn't know, the front part here is a clear plastic. As you can see that. Yup. The grille, the headlights, I think it's part of the window piece maybe. Looks like part of the window piece, which is interesting. It didn't do any paint on the front part there. This is cool, cool, cool. So that's the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Put it there. Next we're going for the 70 Chevy Chevelle. It's a nice red and cream stripes there. Yup, kasiloose. There you go. That who's here? What else there? Edelbrock maybe on the side. Nice wheels with a chrome interior maybe. Yeah, looks like a chrome interior because you're going to see the grille is in chrome and the back there. Wow, nice looking car. 70. Yup, 70 Chevy Chevelle. Awesome, 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 awesome. There you go. Next, everyone's favorite, the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser under the Chevy Bel Air. Yup, kasiloose. Look at that. Fuel injected AJ Triassic 5, Long Beach, California. On the side there, Atwood Performance engines, Black Widow exhaust, MSD Vitosky transmission. This is a sort of like a satin green with a green tinted windows, white on the top. Now this looks awesome. Wow, 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 wow. And of course, chrome interior because of the engine put in chrome. This, oh my, loving this, loving the Bel Air Gasser. So sharp looking. Yes, it is so sharp looking. Bel Air Gasser, the case B. So next, going for the 2016 Cadillac ATS-V R in a deep red. Wow, look at the color there. That is astounding. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful shade of red. The Cadillac on the side there, number 2. The grille front there. Wow. Window piece as a headlight. Part of the headlight. This is awesome. Big wings at the back there. Totally. Wow, 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 wow. The wheels are nice. Looks premium, don't you see? That deep shade of red. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes, it is. That's the 2016 Cadillac ATS-V R. And come to the last 3. Let's take this one. This is the regular version, the 73 BMW 3.0 CSL Race Car, but also going to be the Super Trajan in the case B. So for the Super Trajan, Spectra Flame yellow or gold. This one is just a yellow. Retro Racers. Interesting. Strings upset there. Yup, kasiloose. So there you go. Look at that. On the side, Castrol, Bilstein, 73. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Awesome. So the window piece, part of the headlights, there, you can see, and the tail lights also, which is awesome. Not sure about the base is red though. It looks cool enough. Cool enough. Yes, it is. A little bit scuff there, scuff on the top. But it's okay for me. Yep. So the 73 BMW 3.0 CSL Race Car. Push it. back a bit. So this is next, the new casting for 2022, the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. See that? Retro racers. Look at that. That is beautiful. Kasiloose. There you go. All black with the headlights. It's a plastic piece actually, so part of the window. Which is interesting. Look at that. Mattel Hot Wheels on the top there. IAA, Ryu, Ford, nothing on the back. That is cool. Oh wow, the interior. Beautiful, interesting looking car actually. Yup. That's the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. And the last one, the winner of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour 1970 Pontiac Firebird in white. It's a totally new casting. Chevy Green Garage. Look at that. This is the winner of the 2020 Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Wow, kasiloose. Totally new mold based on the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Sit solo, look at that. Look at the wheels there. Look at the engine with dark chrome. Wow. The details on the front. Since it's white, it's kinda blurry there, but you can see that. Yup. The side got the anti-gravity batteries, vibrant performance, something, dry sump system. Got the tail lights, Legends, Hot Wheels Legends plate. Wow, nice interior, definitely. This is awesome. In white. Pure white. Wow. So there you go. Highlights from the Case B. What do you guys think so far? 2022 Hot Wheels mainline. Excited? Yup. Definitely. This is just the B case. More to come. It is. So far so good. So if you haven't subscribed, notification bell button, share if you want, comment down below definitely. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. I'm excited for 2022. Yes it is. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.